Welcome to my bungalow in Bali, Ubud. Come in. Hey guys, this is my place in Bali, Ubud, where I'm staying currently since 4 months. And in today's video, I'm gonna do a little apartment tour of this place. So let's start from the bedroom, which is here. Okay, actually, this whole apartment is just a bedroom. Oops, guys, did I tell you about the best part of my apartment? Yes, it's actually my bathroom. Oh my god, you caught me. So this is my bathroom, open bathroom. I have a toilet in the nature, but the best part of this bathroom is actually the shower and the fact that I have a palm tree, an entire palm tree inside my shower. So I can take a shower here at night. I have stars above my head, and during the day I have a sun and a beautiful palm tree. Look, on the ground we have some rocks, and I have here nice sink and a big mirror. And I really like that when I'm taking shower here, above my head is literally a palm tree and sun. This is so cool, yeah? Having a bathroom, open bathroom in the nature. It's totally possible here in Bali because the weather is completely amazing here during the day and during the night. And my whole apartment wouldn't be completed without this beautiful huge terrace, from which one I just love working from it. I'm also doing here my daily morning meditation, and they bring me breakfast every morning here to my terrace. And I've been living in this place since 4 months. In Vietnam, I lived in a modern apartment, but it was very cold and I had a garbage dump in front of my window. And this is my view in Bali from my apartment. I literally live in the best place possible. I live in Bali, Ubud, in the rice fields. And here I also have a koi fish. Look at this. We also have here a little koi fish lake, which is beautiful. So pretty. They're like swimming here around. Very nice. Ow, ow, what? We also have here chili growing up and courgette. I don't know how you call it. And this is actually the path to my balcony. I like it that I can walk here barefoot. I can walk barefoot to my apartment. So this is how it looks, my apartment. A bed, or actually a mattress, but it's very big and very comfortable. I have a rack for my clothes, the bathroom, and here I have some nice decor and this thing just to put my stuff on it. From the bad things of my apartment is definitely missing an air condition, because it gets a bit hot sometimes during the day. But once I open this door and the door over there and here the door to the bathroom, there is actually quite a lot of air going on, flowing in. And I can just relax here on my bed or in my terrace. And it's actually pretty good. What I really like about this room is the decor. I have these boho decorations here, my boomerang from Australia. I really like the floor. It's very comfortable to walk on it, and the carpet is also very nice. This boho decor and the painting is very good. I don't have AC, but I have this fan here that I can use it when it's too hot for me. And I have a little fridge here where I can basically put some cold drinks, and store some things. And the balcony is actually one of my favorite parts. It's actually where I spend most of my time, most of my day, and enjoying my pretty awesome view of the palm trees. And right here is also the parking area, so I can see my scooter is just there. Now let's talk about money, because this is where everybody gets excited. I pay for this place just €250 monthly, which is around $288. And what's the best part of this payment is that breakfast is included. So per day I'm paying around just €8, which is basically like a price of a hostel in Bali. So I'm paying the hostel price, but I have entire bungalow just for my own. What's included in the price? Electricity and internet, fast Wi-Fi. This is all included in the price of total €250, which is 5 million Indonesian rupiah. Rupiah or rupees, I don't know how to say it. What else is included? it's also weekly cleaning. They also change my bed sheet. They give me fresh towel. They clean my floor, my terrace. They mop my floor. They sweep the floor, mop it. Basically cleaning also my bathroom, so I don't have to clean it. I also have unlimited amount of toilet paper, free water. So this is also included. The cleaning products they have, so I don't have to buy my own. And I don't have to do laundry because I have no washing machine. So I do laundry in the city over there, which is very cheap because it's just 14,000 Indonesian rupees for 1 kilogram of my laundry. What else is included here? I have included breakfast, fast Wi-Fi, weekly cleaning, water, electricity. This is all included in one price. So it's still much cheaper than I was paying in Vietnam, because in Da Nang, when I was living there last year, I paid around 360 euro with everything, with accommodation and also with the electricity and water. I paid extra for this stuff. And what else is very good is that I don't have any contract here. Basically, I didn't have to sign anything. And you're also probably curious, how did I find such cheap place? So I found this place on Booking.com and I booked this bungalow over there for the 1 week. And then I really like it, so I extended my stay. I wanted to extend my stay for another week. But the bungalow was already booked, so I had to change it for a different one. But the owner, the landlady that I met once I came here, I came to Ubud in March, and the next morning after I woke up, I was in the bungalow over there. There was this local ceremony called Mlaspas, and it was the ceremony here in the lobby from the owners, and they invited me to join their ceremony, which the video you can watch here in my channel. And I joined the ceremony, so this is how I met the owner. And because the owner became my friend very quickly, she offered me to stay longer here. And I extended my stay for another 2 weeks. She gave me one of the bungalows over there, which was around 20 euro per night. And then she told me, Claudia, if you're interested in a monthly basis rental, we have this room here available. We can clean it and prepare it for you for just 5 million per month. And I didn't think long. And I took the deal, because when I calculated it, how much is it in euro and what's included, I was like, I'm taking the deal. And that was the best decision I could make, because it's the cheapest place and it's also very nice. And here I have a lot of local friends and I'm surrounded by nature. So I'm really, really loving it. And it's also very quiet at night. And I don't have any trash in front of my terrace. And in this area it's very quiet. And 10 minutes by scooter, I'm already in Ubud city center. So I'm close to everything, to my gym, to restaurants and yoga activities, everything. So it seems like I'm living in the middle of nowhere, but it's actually very close to all the attractions in Ubud in Bali. Guys, if you're traveling abroad, you need internet. And I have for you special discount, 15% for Saili eSIM with my code nomadiclaudia. Just download the application Saili on your phone. Choose the country you're traveling to, and at the checkout put my code nomadiclaudia to get exclusive 15% discount for your mobile data. Don't take the expensive SIM cards at the airport. Just get the Saili. It's much easier. You just download the application on your phone Saili, you log in, and then you choose the country where you're flying to, let's say Indonesia. You choose how much gigabytes you want, let's say 10 gigabytes. Then you just put checkout process and you put my code nomadiclaudia, you get 15% discount. Immediately your internet will be working once you land in that country. So Saili will know that you landed in Indonesia. You just turn on the mobile data, turn on the roaming. Once you are here in Indonesia, for example, or Vietnam or Thailand or any other country in the world, Saili will work and you will have internet immediately at the airport. So you'll be able to book your taxi that is cheaper than the taxi from the airport, of course.